Carolina, Clarendon County in central South Carolina, Sumter County in central South Carolina, southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, southern Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lake Wateree Dam to near St. Matthews, moving east at 55 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Sumter, Camden, Manning, Bishopville, South Sumter, Shaw Air Base, McIntyre Air Base, Lake Wateree Dam, St. Matthews, Somerton, Eastover, Lugoff, Oakland, Mulberry, Congaree National Park, Alcoa, Woodspace State Park, Cassett, and Elliott. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 84 and 125. Interstate 95 between mile markers 111 and 146.